Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Charles Schwab mobile app. First, download the app from your device's app store and log in securely with your credentials. Once inside, you'll find a clear dashboard displaying your overall portfolio. Tap on individual accounts to see specific holdings, recent transactions, and performance metrics. The intuitive layout makes it simple to find what you need quickly, ensuring you stay informed about your investments on the go. The app offers powerful features to manage your finances. You can easily deposit checks by snapping a photo, saving a trip to the bank. Transferring money is straightforward, whether moving funds between your Schwab accounts or to an external bank. Plus, dive into comprehensive research, including analyst reports and real-time quotes, to help guide your investment choices. It's like having a financial advisor right in your pocket, ready when you are. Taking control of your investments is simple with the Schwab app. You can place trades for stocks, ETF, and mutual funds directly from your device, often in just a few taps. Keep a close eye on your favorite investments by creating and managing watch lists, receiving real-time updates. The app also allows you to review and adjust any recurring investments or automatic transfers, ensuring your financial plan stays on track effortlessly. Security is paramount, and the app offers features like biometric login for quick, secure access to your accounts. If you ever need help, customer support is just a tap away, connecting you with a representative who can answer your questions. The app also provides educational resources to help you grow your financial knowledge. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. It's all designed to give you confidence and control over your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.